Hello YouTube. Today I'd like to show you how to hack these Roku remotes. Never fails. Every time I sit on one of these remotes, I end up hitting one of these hotkeys that I don't pay for. So, I'll be watching Netflix or Amazon Prime, sit on the remote, and, Hulu will get pressed. I have to wait for Hulu to load before I can get back to my show or movie, whatever I'm watching. So it'd be nice if these buttons weren't here. Unfortunately, every Roku remote I have in the house has those little hotkeys. So I'm going to attempt to disable them. This is the first time I'm trying to open this remote, so we'll see how it goes. No screws to be seen. See if I can open this with something everyone have laying around. This is just a gift card. I'm gonna try and slide it between the two halves of the clamshell. We'll see how that goes. That's tough. Yep, got it. There's a little indent in the corner. Looks like it holds the top on. Just gonna work my way around the perimeter. Okay, so here are the buttons from the other side. They're a little rubber membrane. I guess you could just remove these, but then, from the outside of the remote, you can see that something was done to it. I'd like it to look like it hasn't been touched. So on the board, here's your battery side. Here's your button side. On the board, there's this little membrane that I should be able to peel up. So this membrane has the tactile feedback. So when you press it, it actually feels like the button is doing something. Under the membrane, there's these little conductive dots, and they make contact with the little traces on the board. Every time you press the button, it actually closes that contact. So the microcontroller can detect that you pressed a button. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is put an insulator across the board between the conductive pad and the conductive traces, just so every time you press those buttons, it doesn't do anything. What I'm going to use for that is just masking tape. Doesn't have to be pretty. And just trim the edges. And they can go back together. Looks like I broke a bunch of clips. That's it. These buttons should no longer work.